that jacket? He's like, my wife made it. And I'd be like, go wifey, go wifey, go wifey, go wifey. But anyway. Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. This is officially my first Friday sews and I'm so excited about it. A little bit of sewing, a little bit of life. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. So let's get to this Friday sew. All right you guys, so I have not been doing a lot of sewing lately. I've been transitioning from my summer to my fall and I've just been brainstorming. Like I want to be really intentional about the things that I make. I don't want to just like see a pattern and be like, ooh, I like it, I want to make it. I got the fabric, da 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 da. So what I've decided to do for fall is take a more critical eye of the patterns that I pick out, the fabric that I pick out, and just really plan it out before I just go sewing up stuff. So this fall I've decided to make more separates. I don't have like a whole lot of separates in my closet. I guess to some people separates can be boring, but to me I'm like, your girl needs some shirts and some blouses and some pants. Can't wear dresses every day, but you know, I've seen you guys in my comments mention that you need tops and shirts too. So yeah, I've decided that this fall I am going to sew up some separates. So I'm so excited about that, you guys. So I'm still in the planning phase, getting my patterns together, getting my fabrics together, making sure I can like interchange and mix and match some things just so that I get the full wearability out of these garments. I don't know if you guys have noticed, probably I did a sewing studio makeover. So excited and happy with how it turned out, y'all. If you want to see my sewing studio, like a little tour, let me know in the comments down below and I can make that happen for you. Only if you're interested. Did a lot. Painted my walls. Y'all know it used to be like a gray dark day. Well, it wasn't that bad. Light bluish. That was the color that this room was when we moved into our home, and I have been wanting to change it for years, y'all. Like 4 or 5 years. And so I finally got some time, got around to it, got the paint, and I chose this pink, which I think turned out really nice. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Oh, I dyed my hair jet black. So I decided, you know, I had my highlights in and my roots were growing out, and you know, my highlights were like, what are you gonna do? You gotta figure it out. So I decided to dye my hair jet black. I actually did it myself and I'm just really happy with how it turned out for fall. Sometimes I like to go darker for fall. It's kind of like moody, kind of edgy, and I feel like fall is like a moody, edgy time where summer is more like bright and light and airy and flirty. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do this dark black, jet black, and be set for fall. So I dyed my hair. Oh, for those of y'all that don't know, I have 3 kids. My son is 18, my daughter is 16, and my youngest son is 10. So we got some stair steps and some staggering there, but the kids are doing good. My oldest son is actually in college now. He just started college this fall, and that whole process, y'all, oh my. If you've been through it, you know. If you haven't been through it, get ready. But glad to say that my husband and I got him off to college nice and safely. He's doing well, getting used to it and getting his routine, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, we'll be doing it again in a couple of years with my daughter, and then we got a few years before our youngest son is old enough to be transitioning into college. So y'all can only imagine how busy life has been. Actually, I normally sew things for myself, as you guys have seen, but I've decided, you know, this fall that I want to sew some things for my family. So me and my daughter, we were watching Project Runway. That's one of our favorite things to do together because she really loves fashion as well. One of the contestants had made like these bell-bottom pants, and she was like, "Mommy, I love those pants." I was like, "I think I can make you some pants." And she was like, "Really?" I was like, "Yeah," because I told her a while ago, like, let me know what you want me to make. And she's been on the fence about dresses and, you know, things like that. I was like, "I can make you some pants, some flare bottom, bell bottom pants." And she was like, "Yeah." And so I think I'm gonna make her something like that. Let me show you guys the pattern options that I have picked out for her. I don't know which one she's gonna choose yet, but I'm so excited about it. Sewing for someone other than myself, because I really want to start working on my fitting on people other than myself. So excited about that for her. And for hubby, I will be making a shirt jacket or a shacket. Here is the pattern for what I will be making for him. Excited about that. So that's what I will be making, this jacket for him. And I'm so excited, y'all, because I love sewing for hubby. It just makes me happy. It makes me happy because he goes out and people are like, "Oh, I like that jacket." I've made him like 2 bomber jackets in the past, and they're like, "Oh, I like that jacket." He's like, "My wife made it." And I'd be like, "Go wifey, go wifey, go wifey, go wifey." But anyway, so excited about that, you guys. I will definitely be sewing for myself still, so don't be worried. But I want to sew some things for the fam. So that's what I got going on in life this week. As far as sewing, I'm so excited to start my fall stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna jump in, but I gotta jump in somewhere. And I can't wait to share those projects with you guys. So hopefully you'll stay tuned. All right, you guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed my first Friday sews. I probably won't do a Friday sews every week, but every now and then I'll try to sprinkle those in just to keep y'all up to date with like sewing and life. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos once a week. All right, you guys, well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, amazing, spectacular weekend, and I will see you later.